Hello there. So interesting things when I come to US, it's a strike me, it's how much people like here to sue everyone, all organization, everything, disregard of the common sense. It just, heaven for the lawyers. And no surprises were mere of the time when somebody come and start suing AI tools for anything. One thing, before you sue anything, keep it common knowledge. Understand that that is just a tool. It is only different how it's used. Nobody sue Canon for the producing camera just because somebody photo shooting porno, or nobody sued the knife makers. Maybe they do, I don't know, but it's crazy country. But because they're using for not supposed to. AI tool, it is the tool, okay? And some people may use it properly, maybe some people use it dishonest and wrong way. By the way, I'm making video want to show how I'm using, and I think it's a little bit more ethical, encompassing it's my work for those who are interested. It's ethical use of AI tools. But here's the lawsuit, so I want to look on them. And here's the one lawsuit, and we'll also look on a second, just pop up. It's a Getty Images suing creators AI over Stable Diffusion. But let's look first on this one, which is make headlines. Even right there, you can say it says that lawsuit launched by this and this firm, it's also critical content technical inaccuracy. For example, it's claimed the AI art model store compressed copy for copy protect training images. It does not store any images. If you can take several billion images and compress them in a 2 gigabyte space, you have a great tool. If you can do this, you can just sell the compression tool, but sadly nothing can do this yet. Okay. And it's right here says it's a recombine and doing collage tool. It's not collage tool. Again, it's a misunderstanding how technology work. Actually, better than me telling you about this, what I recommend you to do, it is going by the links I will provide below. Go and read for yourself. The one thing what I highly recommend people to do, it is stop judging by headlines. Headlines made by grab your attention and bring here. Go inside and read precisely what is said if you're interested to find the truth. And right here, example, this is one article fully, but I would recommend for you also go and read another article, which is actually goes side by side and tell you what is inaccuracy in this lawsuit and how misunderstanding and misconceptions going on. For example, they're saying, hey, right here is a spiral. You train spiral, and by diffusion, you receive spiral. Yes, you receive spiral, but if you compare with the positioning of the dots in different places, it's a similar. They says, hey, you draw the human figure and I draw a human figure, so you infringe on me because your human figure look exactly like my human figure. No, the spirals is spiral. It's why they call spiral, okay? Otherwise, they call circle, square, or other things. So in this case, the will should look as a spiral when you render. But if you look on details, it's a different. It's not a same, okay? Or another inaccuracy to showing how they blend, that it does not blend this way, okay? It's work for mathematical function and everything. And actually, best way, how I say, go over this article's links will provide, and you can see specifically what is inaccurate. And as even based on a Verge, how this bits are here, I don't actually believe it due to the big technical misunderstandings and don't understand how technology works. I don't think this specific lawsuit have it any legs to stand on. It probably will be dismissed most likely or readjust. However, it may bring to attention to the sides of the artist. And as a traditional artist who done for 40 years something, I do photography and other stuff, I need to tell you, you are constantly fighting with the people who try to take your art and sell as is. And it's happened to me. I have another video, I'll put it link about where I gone over copyright, where people blindly take my image, not even modify anything, and try to sell in galleries or try to do other things. And I needed a proof that was my image. And I understand how some people frustrated, but however, don't forget that those people, they finish art schools, okay? They're done in art school and they were studied by the teachers who taught them 1,000 years of human civilizations how to draw, what the pencil used and everything. These people is using pencils they developed by engineers and other things. They're using paper. They don't make their own paper. So they utilize tools by creating other people. They utilize their knowledge, their everything on a knowledge and civilizations, what's creating for them. So, but that is how they feel. It's fine how I said. it is country where everyone sue everyone. However, some suit is a little bit more legit, and let me put it this one. For example, Getty Image, the creator of AI art tool Stable Diffusion, for the scrapping contest. So, and that is actually was in some videos I pointed before. It's about right here. You can see logo Getty Image, and this is actual copyright illegal to remove any watermark placed by owner of the image. In this case, what's happening here, they're taking their publicly displayed images and they're modifying them by removing their logos or changing the watermarks. This one, however, I think it will go to favor of the Getty Image. I don't know what is, again, I'm not lawyer, nothing, but I have the strong feeling because from my experience when people remove my watermarks and how it was done, all the stuff. But again, let me point, this is not a tool, okay? That is a people who created model or point or allowed to do this or specifically tell go there and scrub this, that, or do some other stuff. So again, it is not problem of the tool, it's a problem of how users utilizing this tool. If you think the AI go away, you're wrong. It's here to stay. It's here to bring more stuff. And let me give you an example that people were screaming before MP3 coming, okay, before the MP3 and it says, oh, now artist is doomed, they steal all our music. They do opposite actually happened. People right now, and they can verify this, they're going and actually make more money by selling MP3s. Younger artists can access like digital medias with the previous before internet and all digital computer and media. This is artists probably won't never know. They probably never can come to publisher. Personally, I did publish several books through the real publisher, and trust me, it is headache going through real publisher. They need find you, you need a display, you need before establish, you need publish in many magazines before they come to you, and it was hard job to do this, okay? So for these guys who gone through the internet and publicized, they're utilizing already new technology, and they afraid or something of the another things, so they cannot adapt. Very interesting things, because I have multiple artists with whom I actually creating several videos coming up. They're seasoned artists, we can say they're older ones, and they're okay, they adopted and they're using AI in their own production and their work. So it is all about accepting, understand how the tool work and working with this. So overall, here's a couple, one of the lawsuits, one of them looking more promising than another ones. We'll see what's happening with this. Either way, this is a good thing that's happening, because we need to bring attention to the subject, we need to establish guidelines, and we needed to establish some of the rules in this, because it is a great tool. It's a tool to stay here, same like MP3, same like digital photos, same like a copy machine, same like a cars. It's come here to stay, and we needed to adapt, and we needed properly use this tool. Well, let me know what do you think about this. What is your opinion? I'll appreciate if you have some other informations. Also, please post in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Give us thumbs up if you like it, subscribe, and put notification button. Do all of this, stuff that will help to follow and help me as well to create new videos. Thank you and have a great day.